Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a wig and style on yourself. Now this is the wig right here, and then y'all finna see when it's on my head. Now I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna try to talk y'all through this video too, but I also wanted to address some stuff. So on here, I ain't gonna lie, I used to try to talk proper and try to do this and that, but that's just not me. It's hard. But I got on TikTok acting like myself, and I actually blew for that. So what y'all think I'm finna do? I'm finna still act like myself. For example, I can't say a lot of stuff. I'm from Florida. Like, I seen a lot of people, oh, why you say bike the way you say it? That's just the way it come out. If I sit there and think about what I'm gonna say at the rehearsal, I can say back just fine. But when I'm just talking to come out as bike, like, that's one thing y'all be aggravating me about. Trying to tell me how to talk and what to do. Anyway, let me get back to the video. So this is the lace tape that I'm using today. Y'all, my hair store ain't had the one that I usually use, so this is my first time using it. As you can see, it said it was $5.99. Now with this wig, I done wore this wig plenty of times. If I can find the pictures, I insert them at the end. But anyway, the lace is already tinted, and I use True Match in the color bronze. I think I'm gonna show that later on in the video, I'm not sure. But now I'm just finna show y'all how to apply the lace tape. Now I'm horrible at ball caps, as y'all can see, so I'm not even finna show y'all the video on that. But with the lace tape, all you wanna do is apply the tape a little bit over the ball cap, but you still have to remember you don't want the wig on your forehead. You need the glue to go in front of the ball cap. I'm gonna kind of point and show y'all what I'm talking about. Y'all don't mind my bad skin. If y'all got any recommendations of what I can do to clear up my skin, please comment down below. Now when applying your lace tape, you want to make sure you peel off the tape before you apply the next part, because before you apply the next tape, because in case they have to overlap, you don't want to mess up anything. Y'all, please like my ball cap, because I was there wrong coming to put like that. And y'all can see where that little hair at on my hairline, like on the side right over my eyebrow kinda. I shaved that off. I ain't even finna lie. I used to cannot put wigs on a little hairline because like it was dead on my forehead. I know how to do it now. I'm gonna show y'all a customization video. I ain't even say that right on anything. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all how to customize the wig for a little hairline, because I'm good at it now. So then let me tell y'all. So the other day I sent my auntie to the store to get me some stuff from the hair store, right? So boom, she get there. Why them people told her the lace tape was $2 for $1? 2 strips for $1. Who finna pay that? Mind y'all, me and these people at, well, I don't even like this particular hair store she went to, but you know, it's whatever. I had to deal with it because I had to do hair and I needed somebody to go. Y'all, I told her to put it by it. Cause ain't no way I'm finna pay that. But y'all, like, Jit were really tripping, talking about 2 strips for $1. Man, went the next day, got the whole pike for $6. Like, that don't make no sense. Y'all really be trying to get over on people. Now y'all, the lace tape on, I'm finna show y'all how to apply the glue. Here's the bowl hole glue that I use. Y'all use bowl hole active for everybody that keep asking, even though I keep telling y'all exactly what I use in almost every video on TikTok. Anyway, I put 3 layers. That's what I use to put on there. Make sure you clean it off before you put it on there. And I have certain stuff that I use for myself and my clients. But anyway, y'all, apply the glue a little bit in front of the tape, as you can see me doing. Like, you don't want to go back too far while it's on your hair. The tape is there to protect your hair at the end of the day. You see how the glue is going mainly on the tape? You do not want to get no glue on your hair. Of course, it's going to happen. It does happen. It always happens, especially with me. But y'all, that's the whole reason for the tape, for a longer hold and to not have no glue on your hair. Another thing for everybody that keep asking me, and I'm tired of trying to write paragraphs to every single person in the comments. Y'all really want to apply to y'all, but it be hard. Now you just want to smooth the layers out, and then wait till it turns clear to apply the next one. Also, I forgot to mention, I got this hair from Lux Roots. I will be sure to link everything down below. Y'all won't remember that I am. I got it from Lux Roots. I done had this wig for I don't know how long. This was originally a Frontal and bundle. Y'all, I can't even tell y'all how long this wig is. But I crimped it and everything before I even put it back on. Well, I washed it and, you know, did all the extra mess. But I actually love this hair so freaking much, y'all. Like, the lace is super thin and everything. And that's good. But with thin lace, you got to make sure you're taking care of your hair. Because if you don't take care of your hair, it's easy to rip the lace. This wig was the glueless frontal wig that I made. Y'all, I'm about to start offering that service because y'all keep asking. But I do make glueless closure wigs now, and I only post the wigs that I have on hand because I hate making people have to wait for me to get the hair in. Y'all know the whole little process. So if y'all do want some wigs, go follow me on Instagram at Callmetoudiebookings and at Hairbytootie, and I'll be sure to link that down below too. I'm also trying to improve my YouTube more because I didn't have my YouTube for a minute. But I hate showing my face, y'all, because I feel like I be looking a hot mess on the camera. I know y'all don't be wanting to see me. Anyway, do y'all want voiceover videos? Do y'all want me actually talking in the videos? Like, what type of videos y'all find better? Because I was talking throughout this whole video, but I'm like, dang, people don't want to listen. But anyway, after it dry clear, what y'all want to do is pull y'all wig down. Now, with a lot of times when I install my wigs, I put a middle part of the wig so I can kind of line it up a little piece, or know how to line it up when I put it on there. But to each his own. I mean, you may want to do something different, or you may just know what you're doing. But that's the easy way I found. And then I'm just finna show y'all how I pull it up and put it on in there. Don't talk about me if I look cross-eyed in this video, y'all, because I ain't had no type of mirror. I was literally doing all this on my phone. Okay, now back to the wig. After you do, like, glue that down or whatever, you want to go through and blow dry. After you blow dry, you want to glue the pieces back down that did not get glued down the first time. That's the most important stuff. I be leaving that out on TikTok videos. I'm sorry, you guys. It's so hard to put everything in a minute video. But after you do that, you want to go through it and you want to try to swoop your baby hair. Now, this is going to be kind of a detailed video on how I swoop my baby hair. So y'all, I be having people talking to me like, why you always showing people how to do this, how to do that? Why you always telling people how to do this, how to do that? I love to travel. I'm literally always on the road. When it's time to go, I'll be like ready to go. But I just feel like I like to educate my clients on how to take care of their hair when I'm not around, because I don't want my clients calling me while I'm on vacation because they don't know how to swoop this and they don't know how to do that. So I'll be trying to educate them and tell them. I don't feel like it's a problem with telling them, because at the end of the day, they're going to come back to you. They want to come back to you. Like, it's really not a big deal. But okay, again, yeah, I like to travel. Y'all want to see some vlogs of me traveling? Sometimes I be lit now. Y'all should try it. Now listen, for these baby hairs, I use Gorilla Snot. There's a lot of other products y'all can use. If y'all want me to go back and use a different product, please let me know and I can show y'all. This was just the closest thing I had on me, and I did not want to use. Got to be today. Sorry, I got hiccups. But y'all, cut your baby hairs in section as you go. You don't have to cut the whole front of your, like, all the hair at one time. You can if you want to, but you do not have to. Like, it's to each his own. It's really your own choice, but I'm just telling you how I do. And then to me, the Gorilla Snot gives it a little sleeker look. Y'all go see me going through with it more in the end. But y'all, these are like really simple beginner, that sounds so retarded, beginner friendly baby hairs. But I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest of it. I'm shut up. Yeah, that little part look crusty over there. Look, that's all that extra glue I put on there. Yeah, make sure y'all install cleaning in mine, because I sure didn't make sure. I was just swooping the things, knowing that little crust was right there. After you're done with your baby hair, you're going to spray it with holding spray. I use Pump It Up, y'all. I know y'all can smell that through the camera, can't y'all? Anyway, you want to tie down your lace, and then this is how I look when I got finished. I insert more pictures and videos. Hope you guys like this video. Please comment, like, share, subscribe for more, and follow me on TikTok at Callmetoudiebookings and on Instagram at HairByToudie and Callmetoudiebookings. Thank you guys.